everybody? It's General 315, man. I'm back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we got the Jordan 1 Storm Blue Unions on deck from my guy Trader Joe's, just to show you guys what these are about. I know you guys have been watching my Instagram and you guys have been seeing me post pictures of these joints, and everybody's been asking me, yo, when you gonna drop the review? When you gonna drop the review? And I finally got around to doing it, so I wanted to record it today and really just get this out. Before I get started, I want to make sure you guys understand that this is a UA shoe, so this is an educational video. I'm not condoning the sale or resale of UA goods as retail goods or anything like that, so nobody get any ideas. We don't do that here. I'm just showing you guys what was sent to me so we can review it and see what we like and see what we dislike. This is a dope shoe. Everybody loves this shoe, including myself. So if you guys want the retail shoe, StockX and GOAT prices will be on the screen. These are going for some pretty good money right now, so if you guys are into paying that, go right ahead. You know what I'm saying? To each his own. I'm just showing you guys what I got. All right, so before I jump into actually reviewing the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram page where you'll see updates of reels and pictures and posts of what I have or what I will be reviewing next. And also make sure you guys join that Discord. In the Discord, we kind of help each other out. We find out where to buy shoes, where everybody else cop shoes from, and it'll be kind of posted in the Discord, and everybody helps each other out. So make sure you guys join that Discord. We also do giveaways, and I am still working on a giveaway as we speak. All right, so let's just jump into the shoe. Storm Blue Union, super dope, man. It's just dope. You got two shoes into one. I think the ankle collar is a Chicago. I believe the rest of the shoe is a Storm Blue. Don't quote me on it. You guys can look up the history. I'm just showing you guys what I got. All right, this is one of two colorways, and this is the blue one, and then the other one is the black toe, which is mixed with another colorway, I think a wolf gray or something like that. But anyway, so I'm gonna start from the top down and then just work my way around the shoe. All right, so from the ankle collar down, we have this nice Chicago style colorway, and on the ankle collar here we got a nice suede material, long haired suede, very nice. It's really soft, and I do like that. It transitions well. I thought that was an interesting hit. It's not leather and it's a long haired suede. The next thing we have is this oversized Wings logo on top of a red tumbled leather. I like the oversized Wings logo. I'm wondering why they don't do this often. They should do this more often. This Wings logo is pretty dope when it's oversized, so I don't see why not, but maybe it was just the cats at Union that just thought of it and put it on the shoe. Next, we got this nice Union LA tag right here that hangs off of there, nice little gold, and then you have some gold stitching around that ankle collar that ties this into the Storm Blue colorway. Moving on, we have the nice Storm Blue colorway, which looks to be aged a little bit, and then you have these yellow hits around the leather which look pretty dope. I think that kind of symbolizes the aging of the shoe. And then you have a suede Nike swoosh. I think that's dope. I think this suede Nike swoosh is dope. It was a nice little touch that they put on there. So this isn't leather, it's suede, and I always thought it was leather, and I don't know why I never saw that it wasn't leather. And then you got some nice white tumbled leather here on the mid panel, and then you have white tumbled leather on the toe box. So I like how they did this. It was very creative how they put it together, because even down to the tongue of the shoe, on the tongue of the shoe, they have these sail colored laces to show some aging. And then right at this part where it cuts to the ankle collar of the shoe, you have the black laces. Now they do have extra sets of laces. They have this cream or sail and black lace that's reversed from this other way. So you got the sail on the bottom and then the black on the top, and then they have the black on the bottom and then the sail on the top, which I thought was pretty interesting. And then they have that Union gold lace that everybody seems to like. They like to put these in there a lot. I wasn't gonna do it because everybody does it, and I just don't like being the same as everybody else. I like to be different, so I just left it out. But it does look good if that's what you like. Continuing on, medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. There's no changes there. And then you have a nice sail midsole right here, which looks pretty good. The outsole is that Storm Blue colorway. So very nice. We talked about on the ankle collar how there's that long-haired suede, but right where the eyelets are, there is black leather right here. So the suede doesn't continue all the way through. There's some black leather there. So I think that's pretty cool. Also, one of the biggest issues with the UAs, I believe, the UA Storm Blues, and one of the biggest, actually the UA Unions, and one of the biggest telltale signs for call outs is the tongue of the shoe. Now the tongue of the shoe, if it turns like a pink color, then that means, I think that normally is the indicator that your shoe is not authentic or not real or whatever. Me, I don't care. But I can tell you that this one does not look pink to me. Maybe it might to you guys. I don't know. I'm not an expert on the pink and all of that other stuff on the Unions, because this is the only pair that I have. But I know that if it has a pink hue to it, that was like one of the telltale signs that the shoe was just not accurate. So just letting y'all know, if y'all get one of these joints from y'all plug or something like that, somebody that y'all done spent a couple $1,000s for or whatever, you know what I mean, and you got the pink tongue, it might not be kosher, you know what I'm saying? It might not be the real deal Holyfield. So just make sure you guys be careful so you don't get scammed, you know what I mean? So just be careful. Moving on, so black at the other half of the tongue is black, and it's got that yellow stitching right there. So that yellow stitching continues on. We have a black Nike Air tag, and then we have that exposed foam on the tongue here at the top, which looks pretty good. Inside of the shoe, we have a standard shoe tree, nothing really fancy there. And one of the more dope features of the shoe, which I thought was dope, was the Union insole. This insole is just a standard ortholite foam, whatever this is, insole. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing really special. Really flat, as you can see. So that's not really that comfortable. People like to put insoles in their shoes, and everybody knows that Jordan 1s aren't really that comfortable anyway. Very flat. But it shows kind of how they built the shoe. It kind of tells a story. So you got your attendees, you got your logos. This is the upper of the shoe. This is where they wanted to put the Union LA tag. Got your leather, and then it says design right here, which I thought was pretty cool. And then you got your swoosh box, and it says swoosh suede. So that's pretty cool that they actually put that right there, and I thought that was interesting. So nice little tidbit there. If you get a pair of Unions and it doesn't have this insole in it, then I don't know what to tell y'all. So just be careful out there, all right? So overall, I think this shoe is pretty good. It fits true to size. I have no issues with the shoe. I think that the shoe is dope. I like the design. I like the colorway. I do like the blue with the red mixed, and then you got the suede hits on there. It really makes the shoe pop out. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it, just in itself, I'm gonna give it a 10. I really like this shoe. I don't really see how I could not like this shoe. I think this shoe is fire. In terms of getting a UA, if I had to rate the build of the UA, I'll give it a 9, because I don't have an actual retail shoe to compare it to show you guys what the real differences are. But compared to pictures that you see online and all that other stuff, this shoe is A1 quality. So I will give it a 9. Just because of that. There was no flaws in the black light, no lines, no nothing like that. Y'all know how Trader Joe's is. He's about his stuff. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope this review was informative for you guys. I'm glad I finally got it out for y'all, because you guys have been asking me to drop this review. So just wanted to get this one out to the people. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.